We just filmed a coffee commercial and it looks like this. What's up guys? We're back. Today we're doing coffee, which I'm excited about because this entire studio smells phenomenal. We got our friends over at Bull and Bear Brew, based out of North Carolina. We're gonna make a cool video for them. Let's do it.
First shot, all of them together.
Oh yeah.
Coming from above, like what's up? And then
we're gonna try to do a cool like drop and have them like go a little ways.
As Cindy said, we're working on coffee. So I thought of an idea. I didn't think of this actually. I just put jerry rigged it. We rigged the camera up to the top, have it on a C-stand, so it's like looking down straight at it. This is the kind of the setup we're rolling with the final shot. So we're setting focus and all that, but this bag is actually gonna be lifted up to the lens and then dropped in as kind of the initial start to this video. This is gonna be our first shot. And when the bag falls, it's supposed to make like an explosion of the beans. That's pretty important, I guess.
So we got a pile of them.
Yeah, so we have like a big pile under that white bag, so it's hopefully just gonna hit and pop them everywhere. This shot's another top down shot. We're shooting the coffee grounds down like a slow-mo falling into this French press. Nice composition with the two different bags, the contrasting colors. Cindy was also holding an LED light right here to help light up all the grounds going in. We got spotlight, we got a key light, softbox.
Okay, for this shot, we're getting a cool one with the probe lens, which always gives the coolest perspective of the bag simply falling forward, the beans fly out, and then the lens is right there to get it. Because we're doing this in super slow motion, we have 4 lights, full blast, pounding on this tiny little bag here. But yeah, we just took a shot and it turned out great.
Couple interesting things too I wanted to point out. Sydney had a cool idea to add a little tink, couple sound effects like the tink of the glass. I don't know, go back and watch, see if you can hear it. When we placed the last scene, that glass down, there's actually just a little tink that I think really sells it and makes it super cool. And also, fun fact, the last shot actually, funny enough, is reverse. So we actually had to like shake the coffee cup a little bit, get the water moving so that it was like, it looked like you actually placed it down, because we tried it a few times and then yeah, it looks like in post when you put it down then the liquid isn't moving, and that's just so unnatural. So we actually had to shake it a little bit, then take it out. And the reason we did that was so that it was already perfectly centered and in focus and everything was just perfect. It kills it. So if you take it out, you reverse, you can look like it's going in. Fun fact for you.